Cold left by the sun at the dawn.
Hello, what's up you beautiful people, back with me again, Rusmixalive. Today we're gonna draw DORORO. Oh, I love this anime so much. If you haven't watched it, try to watch it. So with this drawing, I'll decide just to keep it black and white, very simple, with a brush pen so I can adjust the thickness and the thinness of the lining so it looks organic, and so it looks very traditional, like a old Japanese painting. So I hope you enjoy this process of drawing DORORO. So this is the final process. Hope you like it. Also, I want to shout out to Happy Angel Drawing. Thank you so much for your comment. If you want to get a shout out, please leave a comment at my Instagram and social media account. Thank you so much. Rusmixalive signing out. Bye bye.